Whether you want to imprint your favorite design on cups, sweaters, shirts, or glass, you need the best sublimation printer. Using a professional printing machine can be expensive and complicated, especially for a beginner. That's where the best sublimation printer for beginners comes into play to make printing an effortless task for new users. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2720. A versatile inkjet printer with a super tank system, affordable, and above all, low cost per print, which is great for new users. Epson EcoTank ET2720 can be used for a wide range of uses. The build quality is decent, with convenient access to ink tanks and paper loading. There is no rear access, and managing paper jams was difficult for me. Overall, this lightweight sublimation printer for beginners has a compact design with space-saving options for small places. Equipped with 1.44 inches display screen, the printer allows to tilt of the display console upwards for better visibility. The push buttons are located around the screen for quick navigation. The prime appealing aspect of the EcoTank ET2720 is its great super tank system. It has 4 high-capacity ink tanks that can yield a significant number of both black and color pages before refilling. Refilling was quite easy and cost-effective. Scanning features are satisfactory as per my experience, with only a flatbed scanner available. There is no duplex scanning, so you have to manage double-sided documents manually if not used with sublimation. Sublimation is done effectively on the polycoated side of the sublimation paper. On the bright side, the color depth and scanning resolution are remarkable for capturing minute details of your photos. Number 2. Sawgrass Virtuoso SG500. Sawgrass has brought some dedicated sublimation printers to the market, and SG500 is one of them. Sawgrass printers are primarily built for sublimation. Sawgrass S500 is the upgraded version of SG400 with improved resolution and printing quality. The body seems durable, made from premium plastic. The LCD display is black and white, which is not an appealing feature but easy to access with buttons. There is no auto document feeder and scanning feature that disappointed me, but thanks to the printing speed that boosted my productivity by printing 15 ppm with outstanding printing results. I was able to print polyester, ceramics, glass, pet tag, etc. One of the admirable features that I like the most is its auto maintenance mode, which helps the printer clean the printhead thoroughly if there is an issue of clogging. Even if you don't use the printer often, it will retain the performance itself. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET3850. A printer that is perfect for different printing and scanning tasks. EcoTank ET3860 is an updated version of the previous ET3760. Offering a high page yield for black and color pages, this inkjet printer comes packed with all essential features for new sublimation freaks. Manufactured from durable plastic material, the printer offers easy paper jam access with paper loading convenience. It has a relevantly large screen with 2.4 inches compared to the above-mentioned printers. However, the viewing angles are good with the front panel tilting option. This all-in-one printer has an excellent ink system with 4 refillable ink tanks. Thanks to the system, you can print thousands of color and black pages before refilling the ink tanks. There is an ink level checker available on the front side of the printer. The cost per print is exceptionally low with inexpensive ink bottles. If you are looking to print large volumes, Epson EcoTank ET3850 is a perfect fit for your needs.